There are 5 lead magnets that can bring you thousands of new leads and skyrocket your sales. In this video, I will show you the 5 lead magnets so you can easily implement them in your business. Plus, I will show you what makes a great lead magnet and what you can do if your current lead magnet is not performing well. My name is Oscar and I help startup founders get their first 100 customers with proven business strategies. If you like the sound of that, make sure to subscribe. Let's dive right in. An effective lead magnet combines 3 things. First, the bigger the problem you solve, the more valuable the lead magnet will be. So it must address a specific pain point of your target audience. Second, your lead magnet should provide immediate value. You need to create a quick win. And third, your lead magnet needs to be low commitment, which means it shouldn't take too much time. For example, instead of a 1,000 pages workbook, create a 10 to 15 page ebook that people can use right away. If your current lead magnet is not performing well, it's probably because it's missing one of these key elements. It either doesn't solve a customer problem, there is no immediate value, or people are simply afraid of the time investment. So, whatever kind of lead magnet you're going to create, keep these 3 elements in mind. Now, let's get to the good stuff. The 5 lead magnets that can bring you thousands of new leads and skyrocket your sales. The first lead magnet is the ebook. I know. You might say, boring, but hear me out. Ebooks are still incredibly effective when you do it right. And the reason is simple. They give your audience a deep dive into a specific problem they are facing. Think about it this way. If your audience is struggling with, let's say, increasing sales, you could create an ebook titled 10 Proven Strategies to Boost Sales. It's simple, easy to read, and it positions you as an expert in your field. Another lead magnet that converts like crazy is worksheets, templates, and checklists. These are extremely powerful lead magnets because they're actionable. And people love actionable tools, actionable worksheets that they can use right away. I personally have been using 3 worksheets on my website and they do convert like crazy. I got 20,000 downloads over the last couple of years. But here's the key. Make sure your worksheet is super simple and actionable. That's how you build the most powerful lead magnets. One of the most powerful lead magnets that most people miss is offering a free demo or a free trial to your service. For example, if you have a SaaS startup, you can give your leads a 30-day free trial or a free demo if they register on your website. And this is super powerful because you can immediately build a community and get first customers. And second, if your leads like your software, they will become paying customers. It's really a win-win situation. I have been working with a lot of B2B companies in the last years, and we have been using this exact strategy to get new leads, and it worked very well. So if you have a software, if you have a SaaS startup, I would always recommend you go for this strategy. Hey friends, we get back to the episode in just a second, but I've got something special for you. My 3 powerful startup success worksheets, completely free. These worksheets will help you skyrocket your growth with proven frameworks. You will discover how to build an effective growth funnel, the key metrics to measure your success, and the best marketing channels to get new customers. It's everything you need to take serious action towards building the thriving, successful startup of your dreams. Go to DesignWithValue.com/gift and download your free worksheets right now. It's DesignWithValue.com/gift. Now let's get back to the episode. One of the best ways to position yourself as a thought leader and provide something super valuable to your audience is with a free course, a free video course. For example, if you're in the marketing space, you could create a free mini course titled How to Master Social Media in 7 Days. The key here is to keep the course short but packed with valuable insights that gives your audience a quick win. But here is the key. You don't want your audience to watch the free course and then just leave. At the end of the course, you should naturally lead people to your main offer that complements what they just learned, a coaching for example. So you want to lead people to your main offer. Now let's talk about a lead magnet that people absolutely love, quizzes. They're fun, engaging, and most importantly, they bring personalized results. So if you're in the marketing space, for example, you could create a quiz about which marketing strategy is best for your business. The secret to making this work is this. You don't ask people to leave their email address to get access to the quiz. No, instead, you let them do the quiz and ask them for their email address to see the results. And once someone completes the quiz, they get personalized insights via email. And you can then direct them to a relevant offer based on their results. So these are the 5 lead magnets that can convert like crazy. But let's say you've already done your lead magnets and it's not performing well. What can you do? First, check your lead magnet with the 3 factors I showed you earlier. Ask yourself, does it solve a real problem? Does it provide a quick win that my audience can immediately use? And is it low commitment or a low time investment for my audience? If the answer to any of these is no, you need to rethink your strategy. And here is my absolute pro tip. Ask your potential customers. I mean, you probably have a good idea of who your customers are. Send them your landing page and ask them if your lead magnet would be valuable to them. There you have it. These are the 5 lead magnets that can bring you thousands of new leads. But the goal of a lead magnet is not only to make people download it. You want to naturally lead those leads to your main offer. If you want to learn how to do that, check out this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more pro tips on how to build a successful startup. I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye bye.